Dino Weston back with some heat. Dino Weston back with some heat. Y'all are in the place to be with me out here giving you the things that you don't usually see. So let's get to it, y'all. I ain't playing no games. I don't get tired. Damn, zip them up. This little tape loose, kind of loose already. Oop, 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 oop. Alright. Yeah. Got it up. Oh, got a receipt in here. There's some details. Get that out your way. Yang yang. Yimmy yang. Alright, go to the yard. Let's get it to it. Okay, these some Air Force Ones. Oh, I know what this is. These are some Air Force Ones for y'all. Alright, let me pull them out. Let's get straight to it. We don't even need no music. Let's get to it. Man, give me your ass. I'll show y'all the Yang Air Force Ones 07 QS. It's QS Quick Strike. All these can't be Quick Strikes that I got. But I think that is QS. How much they can get in the comment box. Let me know if I'm wrong. My church and y'all let me know. Keep up. Let's keep it. That's what we're supposed to do in this community. Ain't no hate. We ain't doing no hating. Okay, you already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all know what it ain't. Y'all know what it is. All right, these are the logos. Where it's the Nike logos that you can change out on these Air Force Ones. There is 4 sets of colors. There's the black set. There's the purple set. There's the blue set, the red set, the yellow set. It's the Takashi 69 set. Air Force One, Code Whites, the Uptowns, whatever you call it. Whatever you call it. Right now, I got the little white stripe on there. This is dope. Dope. You can't never go wrong with no Air Force One. This remove? I didn't even know. I didn't even know that. So what could you replace it with? Is there something I'm missing in the bag? If so, we gotta know. We'll see in a second. Alright, damn. You already know. Air Force One. You gotta do it the right way. Bam, bam. Air Force One. Clean. Simple shoe. We all seen it 100 times. Let me know if I'm supposed to have something right here. I'm not sure. I figured I should have something right here to replace it. I don't know why they would just give me the make these detachable. We don't have nothing to replace with them. Maybe I'm gonna order those separately. Let me see if it's in the shoe. Nope. So I might have to be the first time I have to hit the email. I ask what's good. So here we go. The classic insole. You know, it's a classic. Nike Air Force One. Maybe there's some differences I don't see, but y'all let me know. The all white shoe, all white middle sole with the Air midsole. Clean bottoms, fresh, easy to get dirty. You know, that's why them rappers that have 50 pair of these, is you can't go wrong with them. The white detachable strap. Yes, this is the one. This is pull off. You can barely even tell, right? Back the Nike Nike sign going all around. The patchable patch that I gotta ask about because they might have me messed up. We're gonna check. We're gonna look into that. Shoe screens. I wish they would have came in with some more shoe screens too, but that's something I could get. That's something I could do on my own. And so, same like I said, the bottom's clean. Y'all got all the information on the box. Just let me know. Just a little quick video for y'all. Let me know what y'all feel about these. Are y'all rocking these? Are y'all passing these? Of course, I know it's rock on. But just let me know. Because there ain't no way that you ain't rocking these. There's nothing wrong. Why wouldn't you? That'd be a better question. Why wouldn't you? Like, let me know. Let me know something that I don't know. All right. Like I said, if y'all liking what I'm bringing you, let me know. Let me know if y'all like what I'm bringing to you. My content. All these colors. patches, what I need. Let me know if there's a place to get the patches. I was supposed to have them. Let me know in the comment section. Like, share, refer to your friend. Let them know we got this content out here. Yeah, so we can build up. We can get to that next plateau. All right, y'all know who it is. It's Dino S. Like, share, comment, refer to a friend. Subscribe to me. Hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the trendy squad. The trendy team trendy. So let's get it. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You know what it is. Wes. Peace. Dino, go. Let's go.